The bandsaw has about 10 inches under the guide. And now I've got a 6-inch piece of cherry. The blade is not particularly new or sharp. It's 3/8 Garrett. Pretty decent job, though, even with a blade that is probably somewhat nondescript. This was a piece of spalted maple that I cut at some time ago. Handled it pretty easily. Motor's a 3-horsepower, 3-phase Westinghouse. It has brand new bearings in it, or brand new to me, which is less than probably 10 hours of use. The back of the saw, may have seen it in the other pictures that I sent you. I've got the pulley speed is down so that it's a fairly low feet per minute cut, and then the belt guard. Right here, this says American Sawmill Machinery, Hackettstown, USA. I haven't dated the saw, but I assume it's probably from the war era or maybe slightly before. Can you get down to the guide, to the wheels? The carriage is obviously homemade, but it works quite well. 2 locking casters. It's a fairly heavy saw, moves around without too much difficulty. Has nice guides on it. The upper saw guide. Can't remember if it's a Wright or a Carter or whatever it is, but it works well. They adjust and hold adjustments nice. There's a lower guard that has, I don't think you can probably see it from this camera angle, but there's another wheel and a double blade guide. Tension up and down, wheel in and out. Spoke wheels top and bottom. I put this brush in here to clean the sawdust off of the lower wheel, try and keep up with it a little bit. Works okay. Added this deflector, which when I have a shop vac hooked up to this, does a pretty decent job of getting the sawdust before it travels around on the wheel. The table tilts. Cam lock and tilts quite easily, locks well. Shop made upper blade guard here seems to do the trick. And if you have any questions or if you're still interested, give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for your interest.